Today we will introduce one kind of steel drawer. This one is much more popular in the market. For your kitchen, many customers choose this kind of steel drawer. Install is very easy. First, it will install drawer slide with the set panel. You can see this specification. To install the drawer slide first, and then how to install it with the steel panel. For this one, it is the accessory to install it with the front panel first, and then it will connect with here, and then it will connect with the drawer slide. And if you want to get it out, it is also can press this panel. You can see this screw hole, and then you can get it out. This is installed with the front panel. This part, it is installed with the back panel. This is the accessory. And if you want to get this part out, you can press this button. You can get it out.